I'm going to be making a Santa Claus. These are the stuff you'll be needing. Paper, pencil, eraser, glue, stapler, scissors and colors. So first we need to take a paper and fold it like a triangle over here. Now you cut it. Just to make sure that the triangle is perfect, cut these edges. So the next step is you have to fold it into a smaller one, into a smaller triangle. Now you have to open it into this square. Okay, so you have to make sure that you keep it like a diamond. Now you have to take this and fold it like this. And then take the other side and fold it like the same way, like this. You have to take the glue stick and then stick it. Make sure you hammer it so that it can be strong enough. Now it's time to color. Now this is how you make an easy Santa. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.